Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to take apart the iPhone 5 and replace the battery. It's actually pretty simple. There's only 4 screws total that you have to take apart. First, make sure you turn off your iPhone, and there's 2 screws down at the bottom. These are a pentalobe screws, so you'll need a special screwdriver to get it off. The same screwdriver for the iPhone 4 and 4S work for the iPhone 5. Once you get the 2 screws out, take your suction cup, the bigger the better, and clip it onto the screen, and then using a plastic non-marring tool you can kind of pry away the screen from the base. I personally, you can see how I just did it with the plastic piece. It's a little bit easier if you use a razor like I have in the video below, but it does leave a few little scratches on the bottom of your iPhone. Only lift the screen up 90 degrees because you can see right there the ribbon cables might tear if you fold it farther back. There's 2 screws right here on the metal bit holding the battery cable in place to the motherboard. Take apart these 2 screws. These are just your regular Phillips head with just a small screwdriver. Take off the metal bracket, and then you can unclip the little black cable. It's just kind of like a Lego piece that clamps in. And then grab the tab that says something something, certified personnel, whatever, and lift out the battery. Take your new battery, kind of clip it in place just like a Lego. Snap it in. Take your little metal bracket and screw those same 2 little screws back into place. And remember, the replacement batteries can be found on Amazon. Usually they're pretty cheap. I'll put a link in the video description below so you can find that easily. And then clamp the screen back on. And make sure you replace the 2 bottom screws on the bottom of the phone as well. And there you go. You replaced the battery. Don't forget to like if this video helped you, and don't forget to subscribe. It really does help me out. And for those who need them, I did post the batteries, a link to them on Amazon in the video description below. So yeah, thanks for watching.